The future of supply chain logistics. The world of supply chain logistics is rapidly evolving, driven by technological advancements, changing consumer behaviors, and global economic shifts. As we stand on the brink of a logistics revolution, it's essential to understand how these transformations impact businesses and consumers alike. In this video, we will explore the significant trends shaping the future of supply chain logistics and why staying ahead in this dynamic field is more critical than ever. How customer demands affect supply chain logistics. In the era of e-commerce and same-day delivery, customer expectations have skyrocketed. Consumers now demand fast, reliable, and transparent delivery services at lower costs. This has put immense pressure on supply chain logistics to streamline processes, optimize routes, improve efficiency, and implement effective inventory management while maintaining quality. As a result, businesses are turning to advanced technologies like artificial intelligence (AI), machine learning (ML), and blockchain to meet these demands. The rise of automation in supply chain logistics. Automation is changing the traditional supply chain game by allowing faster processing times, reducing errors, and enabling round-the-clock operations. Automated warehouses equipped with robots can handle massive orders, leading to faster order fulfillment and delivery times. How globalization impacts supply chain logistics. Globalization has opened doors for international trade, leading to a significant increase in cross-border e-commerce. This, in turn, has created the need for efficient supply chain logistics that can handle the complexities of global trade, including customs regulations, language barriers, and different time zones. Are you eager to learn more about supply chain logistics? We have the perfect video for you. Challenges of supply chain logistics and disruptions. While technological advancements have greatly improved supply chain logistics, companies will still face challenges in the future, including supply chain disruptions. One major challenge is meeting the increasing demand for fast and efficient delivery times. Another challenge is maintaining visibility and transparency throughout the entire supply chain process. With multiple stakeholders involved, tracking shipments and ensuring ethical sourcing practices can be difficult. Companies must prioritize implementing systems that enable real-time tracking and monitoring of their supply chains to maintain customer trust. Looking to make your life easier? We've got just the thing to help supercharge your transportation business. Affiliate disclaimer. Frate Chain is supported by our viewers. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and all its content. Thank you. Learn more. Imagine transforming every logistical challenge from a daunting barrier into a springboard for unparalleled success. With Motive, you won't just overcome obstacles, but revolutionize your operational landscape. Are you ready to break free from the mundane and embrace the extraordinary? With Motive by your side, every milestone becomes a launch pad, propelling you towards even greater achievements. Make Motive your go-to ally in this exciting journey, and watch as your business not only scales new heights, but soars to unprecedented levels of success. Check out the link in the description for more info about Motive. How does supply chain logistics affect sustainability? Global supply chain logistics significantly impacts sustainability, as it involves the movement of goods and resources from suppliers to manufacturers, retailers, and, ultimately, consumers. One major aspect of sustainability in supply chain logistics is reducing carbon emissions and pollution. Transportation is a vital part of the supply chain process and often involves long distances and multiple modes of transportation. Companies can reduce their carbon footprint and minimize environmental impact by implementing green logistics practices, such as eco-friendly transportation. Supply chain logistics also has a significant economic impact on sustainability. By optimizing supply chain processes, companies can improve efficiency and reduce waste, resulting in cost savings. This, in turn, can lead to increased profitability and competitiveness in the market. What roles are involved in supply chain logistics and inventory management? Supply chain logistics involves a complex network of roles and responsibilities, with supply chain managers overseeing everything from manufacturing, packaging, inventory, and delivery. Some key roles involved in supply chain logistics include procurement. This role involves sourcing and purchasing raw materials, components, and goods from suppliers. Production manufacturing. Once the necessary materials are procured, this role oversees the production or manufacturing of goods. Distribution transportation. This role manages the movement of goods from production facilities to distribution centers or directly to customers. Supply chain management professionals are crucial in optimizing logistics operations, managing complex international shipping networks, and contributing to a company's success. Curious about comprehensive insights into logistics roles? Dive into our latest video tailored just for you. What is the supply chain logistics? Supply chain logistics is the process of planning, implementing, and controlling the efficient flow and storage of goods, services, and information from point of origin to point of consumption, including inbound logistics activities related to obtaining, handling, storing, and transporting materials. It involves coordinating various activities such as procurement, production, transportation, warehousing, and distribution, including outbound logistics, to ensure that products are delivered to customers. How does sustainability play a role in supply chain logistics? Sustainability is becoming an increasingly important aspect of supply chain logistics as companies and consumers recognize the impact of their actions on the environment. By incorporating sustainable practices into supply chain management, companies can reduce their carbon footprint, conserve resources, and minimize waste throughout the supply chain network. Is supply chain logistics hard? Supply chain logistics and production planning can be complex and challenging aspects of business operations. They involve coordinating and managing the flow of goods, services, and information from suppliers to consumers efficiently and cost-effectively. This process requires careful planning, coordination, and execution to ensure that products are delivered on time and in good condition. However, with sustainability growing importance in today's business landscape, incorporating environmentally friendly practices into supply chain logistics can also add an additional layer of complexity. This may require finding new suppliers, implementing new technologies, and changing current processes. Despite these challenges, integrating sustainability into supply chain logistics is crucial for long-term success. The future of sustainable global supply chains. As global awareness of environmental issues continues to grow, the importance of sustainability in supply chain management activities is becoming increasingly apparent. With consumers and investors demanding more socially and environmentally responsible practices, companies must adapt their supply chain strategies to meet these expectations. One trend gaining momentum is the concept of circular supply chains, in which resources are reused or repurposed rather than disposed of after use. This reduces waste and creates a more sustainable and resilient supply chain. In the future, sustainable supply chain practices are likely to become the norm rather than the exception. Companies prioritizing sustainability in their supply chain management efforts will stay ahead of regulations and attract more customers and investors who value socially responsible companies. Curious about sustainable supply chains? Dive into our previous video for all the insights you need. Final thoughts. As we navigate the evolving landscape of global commerce, embedding sustainability into supply chain management and collaborating with the right supply chain partners is not merely a trend but a necessity. Embracing these sustainable strategies will not only future-proof businesses against regulatory changes, but also align them with the growing consumer and investor demand for corporate responsibility. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, share this video, and give us a thumbs up. Together, we can champion a more sustainable future. Disclaimer: Frate Chain provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional advice. You should always consult a freight shipping expert before making any decisions.